Hi guys! So today I am going to IKEA because I am gonna buy the stuffs that I need sa pagligo ko kasi paubos na sila yung conditioner ko, yung body wash ko. Kasi binili ko yon January pa. Tapos, feeling ko magpapa-appointment ako sa skin station if ever na makatanggapin pa nila ako ng gantong oras. So I'm here sa Via Maria. I ordered bibingka cassava and then melon shake. Yum, this is my favorite here. So, I'm choosing gray for 3 months instead of hazel kasi wala silang available. Ay, hindi ito pala. Asa na?
Ngayon ka lang nag-ready. Sa gabi naman lang.
Nabili ko na eh.
Manita, ma'am.
Thank you. So now I'm on the supermarket. I'm in the supermarket. And until now, hindi pa rin nakakaget over yung utak ko na alam niyo ba guys, sa skin station, that is the most impulsive thing na nangyari sa buhay ko so far. Hindi ko alam sabihin. I was like,
study, so you're going to use this research instrument.
so for today's lunch, I cooked sinigang and meron ako ditong santol, gulay na santol. Niluto to ni mommy and galing tong Bicol. Happy lunch! I'm actually rewatching Our Beloved Summer because na-miss ko sila. So today is our major practical examination ng midterms for our major subject na POSI. And it's currently 5:14 in the morning. And I woke up ng mga 3:30-ish in the morning because I needed to study kasi I'm not yet confident. Tsaka hindi ko pa super memorize lahat. Kailangan siyang i-memorize. Yeah, this is the reality of being a college student sa medical field. As semi-prone, head is resting on the cheek. For the ipsilateral oblique reflection Nakita kayo dalawa. So today, na-receive ko na yung parcel na inaantay ko. And it's here. So this is actually my mga pang-color sa hair because as you can see, if you can see, it's it's getting long yung hair growth ko. So bale nagse-separate yung color niya. Yung black, yung natural color ko sa hair color ko. My hair color is sa Brimod 10. It's matcha chocolate. Ang in-order ko ay honey tea brown. So now, I look crazy. Kailangan daw kasi i-section ng 4 yung hair. Tapos, kailangan clip. Wala akong clip. Di ako nakabili. Alam ko magsisisi ako na hair tie gagamitin ko. I'm just gonna follow what I know. Charing. Ano ba? Wait lang, wait. Oh my God! I forgot to put on gloves! Kaya pala pala may something na. I'm done with this part sa harap. Tapos, ang problemahan ko naman ay yung nasa likod. Good luck to me. So now guys, ang nangyari, nilahat ko na dito sa likod kasi hirap na ako. Ayoko na, tumigil ka na. So for today's lunch, I just ordered from Popeye, I don't know. And it's just chicken tenders and my fries, pero wala siyang kanin. So last night, hindi ko na video yung result ng hair color ko. Kasi hindi nyo naman siya ma-appreciate since madilim. Kaya ngayon, I'm in front of the sunlight so that you can see the difference and kung paano siya kapag tinatanggalan ng ilaw. So since hindi mo na akong jog for today, I'm just gonna open a parcel na related sa jogging. Since I got 3 sports bras from a small business na nakita ko sa Facebook. Nagbebenta sila ng sports, mga something for sports. And I love Aussie Dubai boxes kasi yung brand sa boxes na yon is good. Like, meron silang Nike, Adidas, Rockwear, and whatever. Kaya, instead of buying brand new sports bras sa Shopee, I preferred buying these thrifted ones because it's the quality yung hinahanap ko. Because when you wear sports bras, ang gusto ko kasi sa akin yung nag-hug sa body ko para comfortable ako. Kasi nung bumili ako ng sports bra sa Shopee, yung uso noon, yung backless siya. I didn't like the quality and it's super uncomfy na to the point na natatanggal siya dito since backless na siya. I don't know kung nagigets na ako. First top that I got is a brand from Rockwear. Next is from Reebok. Tama ba pag-pronounce ko? Anyway, this is so cute. Next is from Rockwear again. I didn't know na Rockwear is a good brand na for sportswear. If you wanna buy, you can buy them sa Freestyle by Davy. It's a small business na nagla-live or like nagpo-post ng mga clothes din na Aussie Dubai boxes.